Hey everyone, my wife's iPhone screen protector has cracked, and it's so bad that it actually cut her finger. So I bought a new one and I wanted to do an unboxing for you and possibly install it as well. So right now we have the AM film or AM film glass screen protector that we picked up last October. It's held up pretty well, but you know, she's dropped it a few times and it's gotten so bad, like right over here, that it actually cut her finger, so it's time to replace it. So let me show you what we got. So we didn't go with the same brand again this time. We decided to go with something new, and this is what we picked up. This is the Ailun glass screen protector. So it says real glass here, but yeah, on the description it says tempered glass. It's $5.89 on Prime for a 3-pack. So usually you get 2 packs, so this is a 3-pack. So this is what the package looks like. So premium tempered glass back here, so anti-shatter film. So let's see if I can get this open for you. Let me use this big boy right here. Right there. Right there. Right here. So this thing is heavily taped down. This is it. So it has instructions on the left, but I think it's pretty much the same with any other screen protectors. There's tape to help you hold the screen protector so that you can line it up, and then you just kind of push down. And here, step 2, clean it with the wet wipe, dry it, and then you should be ready to go. And there's 3 because there's 3 screen protectors. Okay, and here are the 3 protectors. Right here. And here are the stickers for you to pick up any dust. So I've had other brand screen protectors and they all come with the same stuff. They look exactly like this. I bet all of this is coming from the same factory. A URL and feedback card. Alright, let's actually put one of these on. So let me try to take the existing one off first. So I'm clearly not going to start there, so I'm going to start with like in a different corner here. I don't want to get cut. Oops, it just went back on. And there you have it. One piece down. Be careful with that. And let's take one of these screen protectors out. Can you see that? It says step 1, remove mask film attached to this tab. Wow, this is like really sticky. It's like glue, almost. Like what? There's nothing on this side. Okay, so these were cheap, and I was afraid it would come like this. So usually the other ones, the higher quality, more expensive ones, they have 2 of these tabs, one for both sides. So it seems like there's only one, so this is probably the sticky side, and then you just kind of have to like plop it down on top. Well, I'm about to find out. So these wet wipes are still kind of wet, so it's good. That's like super stale. So I'm just gonna go over it. dry wipe. I'm sure it helps to like clean your hands first. Work in a dust-free environment if you can. Alright, I think it should be pretty clean by now. Oh wow, I still see like marks on this. Okay, there's streaks everywhere. Okay, let's try it again. I think this drying cloth is the one that's leaving the streaks. Wow, it doesn't dry very well. If you apply some pressure, like I am with my thumb here, geez, it still leaves all these streak marks. I don't know if you can see it. See those streak marks? The swirls? Wow. What am I gonna do with this then? Just not good. Let's try it again. I can't clean this without the marks. Is there something else I can use to dry it? So let me use this glasses cleaner, dryer cloth thingy. It's a little better. Is it? Oh yeah, it's better. Okay, that's a lot better. So now it's crystal clear. Here comes the tricky part. Remove mask film attached to this tab. Okay. If I can, look, I'm pulling and look at that. It leaves like, there's like crap on this. It's sticky, so what do? Let me start with this side instead. So I'm gonna start from the bottom instead. Alright, so there it goes. Okay, it's still clean. Okay. And here we go. And then you kind of just have to push it down. You see how it's like kind of sticking on by itself. So that's about it. I don't think it has a top layer. So all I did was align the top earpiece opening and the groove for the front facing camera. Then I lined up the sides as best I could because like I said, these don't fit that well. Like it'll go right up against the edge only because the screen curves at that point. And then I made sure like there's room for the button here. And that's it. There you have it. I just want to push down these edges here. Make sure it's sticking. And that's pretty much it. I'm just pushing down the edges. There's no bubbles because it's glass. Like back in the day, we used to use plastic screen protectors, and those would always have bubbles. But there you go, man. That's it. It feels smooth, so I don't think there's any protection on this side. And that's it. So that's the difference. So usually we'd pay like $8 or $9 for 2. This time we paid $5.89 for 3, and that's where the cost savings go. All right. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any questions. Give us a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe so that you don't miss anything else in the future. And thanks for watching.